Standard, your fourth lessons, part 2. Fourth lesson is list and table handling in HTML. HTML में हम tables कैसे handle करते हैं, हमारा list, हमारा सारा प्रोफेशनलिज्म वर्क कैसे हैंडल करते हैं वो बताया गया है. हमको पता है HTML एक वेबसाइट है, तो इसमें क्रिएटिंग अ स्मॉल टेबल, हमको अभी एक स्मॉल टेबल क्रिएट करना है. इट कैन बी फॉर एनीथिंग, इट कैन बी रिजल्ट ओरिएंटेड और इट कैन बी ऑफ योर शॉपिंग ओरिएंटेड. For that, creating a table, what you require, then this first the HTML, you know HTML opening and closing tag, then body, this is the in content, so it is body. H1 first tables heading, that is H1, my first table. Then paragraph, what you required in your table, that is my first table is as follows. Table border you will be giving for 2, means 2 columns. And rows, then it comes to TD, that is row and column. Row 1, column 1, row 1, column 2. This is your entire, then row 2, column 1 and row 2, column 2. Table is ended, body you end and HTML is ended. The command which you prepared now, this such table will be, computer will be displayed in its output. Same table, this is row 1, column 1, row 2, column 1 and row 1, column 2, row 2, column 2. Attributes, we saw the table, how we created the table. Now attributes and description. What is attributes? The commands and its description. Why that commands are being, for what the commands are being used. Elegant. This attribute indicates alignment of table. Alignment means from which side you want, from left side, from right side, from center, middle. BG color. This attribute specifies background of the table. BG color specifies your background of the color. See, such type, this is the background. You want in blue color, the blue color will be in your BG color command. Then comes border. Border, this attribute specifies table border. You can see, this is the border, given this size, this is the border. The border of which color you are mentioning, how many columns, how many rows you are mentioning in that. Then comes cell padding. This attribute leaves specified gap between each of the cells and their content. How in columns, how many gaps you want, that comes in cell padding. Then cell spacing. This attribute manages space between each cell of the table. Cell spacing I will show you. This comes cell padding and cell shaping. Spacing, space in which you are giving the space. This is the space given in your table. Dir, this attribute specifies the direction of text that is displayed in the table. Which direction you want to give, that direction you can do with dir. Then it comes to frame. This attribute controls the outermost border of the table. It controls the outermost border, in which color you want the outermost border of your table. Rules. This attribute controls the presentation of inner border of table. Children, this is your inner border. You can see this double line is given. This is inner border given by rules. This gives inner border to your table. Summary, this attribute presents description of the table. It describes the table. Which, this attribute which of the table. Which of the table is specified in which. Now children, how we give the border of table? Command, what is the command? Table border 4, like elegant left. From left side, table border will be considered for 4. 4 is the number given for the table. It is the pixel to create the border. The number which you specify in border attributes, it is the width of the border. Which means width of the border. Horizontal form. Width of the border means height of the border. It gives the height if the number which you specify. You had specified 4, means 4 is the width of your border table. BG color attribute, you know. I told you normally the background color of your table is BG color attribute. The BG color is equal to whichever color, it is given yellow, means whichever color you specify, it will take that color. Cell padding attribute, if two table cells are placed next to each other and both contain text, there may be a problem. If there is not enough space between each of the cells and the text, the words would combine. So cell padding is given to differentiate. See, these are two tables. So this is the cell padding given between this table. Then it makes no confusion if we give the cell padding in our table. If we have to create two tables next to next. Now comes cell spacing. Cell spacing attribute is used to create a space between the cells of the table. The amount of space can be specified either in pixel or as a percentage value. You can give any number in pixel or percentage to give space between the words in your table. Which attribute I told? The height given. The which attribute is used to specify the width of the table. The value as usual given either in pixel or percentage. You can give in any number or a percentage. Elegant, I told you from left side you want, from right side, from middle, center, whichever that is elegant of your table. Elegant are of 5 types: left, right, center, justify, char. Left from left side, right from right side. Center means in middle. So content is centered horizontally within the cell. This is the default cause for heading. The center is the default cause. Then come justify. Text within the cell is justified to fill the cell. To justify means it is required to fill the boxes. Char, cell contained are elegant horizontal around the first instance of a specified character. Specified character is given in char. Table row tag. This is the given for a specified table, column or row. If you want to specify any BG color, means any background color for a single row or single column, then table row tag is used for TR and then BG color. If you want single row, single column from any different element or left or right, then you give TR and then element. Same is for elegant, specifies the vertical element of the content of each cell. If you want in vertical, a specified row or column or cell, then you give TR and then you elegant. Such table will define if you give a specified TR, table row tag, to your BG color element or elegant. What is elegant attribute? The elegant attribute specifies the vertical element of the content each cell in a row. Elegant is the specified for any row or column personally. Value and description of it. Elegant is of 4 types: top, middle, bottom and baseline. Top is for element contained with the top of the cell. Middle, element contained in the center of a cell. Bottom, element contained with the bottom of the cell. From bottom the cell is required, if you require in center, in middle, and from top. And baseline, elements are contained so that the first line of text is each cell starts on the same horizontal line. In the same line, last line in the baseline in horizontal form, you want your first line. Then the baseline is required. Same example for your elegant attribute. Such type of a table required HTML body, table border to TR, specified for rows and column. Table row tag. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And these are the subjects on that day which you are taking. And body, table ended, body ended and HTML ended. Such table will be defined, output will be given by computer in HTML in elegant attribute. See, Monday Max, Tuesday Science, Wednesday Gujarati, Thursday Max, Friday Science, Saturday Gujarati and Sunday Assembly. From 11 to 12. This is the timing for your table. Cell representation using TH and TD. Each cell in a table is represented by either a TD or TH tag. In the way they facilitate between breaking of a row into multiple columns. TD and TH is given to give a multiple rows and columns. If a heading is to be specified, TH tag is used. If you want to give a heading to your table row, then you use TH command tag. If table tag is to be presented, TD is used. If heading to be presented for row, TH, and if table command presented, then TD tag. By default, content of a TH tag is usually displayed in a bold form, horizontal element in the center of the cell. By default, the TH tag is default for the bold form. You can see such type of bold form TH tag is used in table and rows. The content of a TD element is displayed as left element. TD usually uses left element, default left element in TD. Attributes and descriptions of the commands. ABR provides an abbreviated version of content of the cell. It gives abbreviate means upgraded version for contents of the cell. Elegance content of the cells. It gives elegant to content of the cell from left, right, which cell, from which side. BG color adds background to the cell. Cell means a specified column or row, single, not the entire table. Char manages the cell content to be element around the first instance of the specified character. Char, it manages the first element of the cell. Colspan indicates number of columns that the cell spans across. Number of the columns is being counted for colspan. Header indicates corresponding header to the cell. It gives corresponding header to the cell. Corresponding headers means in which column you want the header. Height specifies height of the cell. It gives height of the cell. Nowrap stops text from automatically wrapping into a new line within the cell. Within the permission, it won't wrap the automation of the cell. Row span indicates number of rows that the cell spans across. Rows which are being indicated from row span. Again, I told you vertical element of the cell. Which is the width of the cell means the height of the cell. Addition caption to a table. To give name to the table, caption if you want add on in your table with any specified caption, you require caption command to be opening tag, caption, closing tag. This is our timetable. Caption closed. This is the caption command given for addition caption. If you require to give addition caption in your table. Given the example, HTML body table border to caption means heading given extra to your table. How it commands. See, a specified table we saw first, but this is the extra caption. This is our timetable. This is the new caption given to your table. Next is nested table. Many times it happens with you. You had done a single table, but you want to add on in your table only. That is called nested table. Table with add on one more table, that is nested table. This is type of nested table. There are many types of table, means add on in tables and tables, that is nested tables. Nested table command is th. How many tables you want to add, you have to give th, and for the cells you have to do td command. With th you are adding the table with specified cell, and td is your inner commands for specifying the numbers or the specific content. Frames in HTML. Frames in an HTML document is used to combine multiple web pages and display them as a single web page. As we are adding the tables, that is nested tables. Adding the web pages is frames in frames. Adding the web pages in a single web page, that is frames. Frames divide a browser window into several parts or sub windows, each constantly as independent web page. Frames gives add-ons to the web page, but it specifies a particular web page by its particular heading. Frame set element. This is the command for adding web pages in a single web page, that is frame set. Frame, opening tag, frame, closing tag, and close frame tag pair. This is the pair command for adding frames. 10th standard, 4th lesson is completed. This is your question answers. You can see all are there and tick.